Yep, come on down, Troy.
Is it recording video?
Yep.
Sure?
Yep.
Okay. I bet it's not, but okay.
So Troy,
Yeah,
how far away?
540 yards.
I'll tell you
140
what.
yards.
Look at that. Look at that, dragging out your own meat, dude.
Got the heart and liver on there, deer, the whole 9 yards.
Oh my Lord.
Wait,
Whoa,
wait,
stop,
wait,
stop.
wait.
I kind of wondered.
Okay, go.
You're good?
That's perfect. Good job, Troy.
Thanks for